Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. Today, we will do Unit 2 Data Entry and Keyboarding Skills of Part B. Second topic, Use Typing Software. In this video, we will learn basics of touch typing and we will do two practice lessons. Basics of touch typing. Touch typing is a technique of typing using all the fingers and thumb of both hands, but without looking at the keyboard. In touch typing, we use fingers of both the hands to type the text in such a way that all the fingers as well as thumbs are equally used for typing. Each finger and thumb are assigned some keys on the keyboard. Look at the picture of keyboard carefully. Escape key, function keys, F1 to F12 function keys, backspace key, print screen, scroll buttons, indicators, control, alt, spacebar. By practice, our fingers memorize the positions of letters on the keyboard and then we can easily type these letters without looking at the keyboard. Positioning of hands. When you want to start typing on a keyboard, your fingers of left and right hand must be placed correctly. As you can see on the picture, ASDF and semicolon LKJ. These are called the home keys. Before learning typing, you must remember the names of fingers like little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, or we can say it as pointer finger. Starting with your left hand, place your little finger on key A, ring finger should be on S, middle finger on D, and index finger on F. In the same way, on your right hand, your little finger should be on semicolon, ring finger should be on L, middle finger should be on K, and your index or pointer finger should be on J, and your thumb should always be on the space bar key. Once you learn to position your hands on a keyboard and identify the location of home row, top row, and bottom row, then you are ready to learn to type words. First, you should type the practice of ASDF and semicolon LKJ in OpenOffice Writer, or you can use MS Word or Notepad or WordPad, etc. Typing with caps lock, spacebar, and enter keys. You can press the caps lock key to activate it so that you can write in capital letters. As you already know, the spacebar key is used to insert a blank space. Press the enter key with the little finger of your right hand. Always put your finger back on the home keys after pressing any key. Typing with G and H keys. Both the keys are typed with the index fingers of left hand and your right hand also. Typing with E and I, you should place your middle finger to the upper row. Type E by moving the middle finger of your left hand from D, and type I by moving the middle finger of your right hand from K. Typing with R and U keys. Slide your index finger to the upper row. Type R by sliding the index finger of your left hand from F to R. Type U by sliding the index finger of your right hand from J. Typing with T and Y keys. Slide your index fingers correctly to the upper row. Type T by sliding the index finger of your left hand from F F to T. Type Y by sliding the index finger of your right hand from J to Y, as you can see on the picture. Let's practice. This is the practice session 1. Type the following in double line spacing to get perfection over the home row. You have to type ASDF and semicolon LKJ again and again. But before doing the practice, kindly read the instructions carefully. Do not look at the keyboard. Each letter should come beneath the other. Concentrate your mind on the text. Typing should be done quite accurately with constant rhythm. Repeat this process until mastery over this exercise. And this is the practice session 2. You have to do the practice. As I already told you that you can do the practice in Notepad, WordPad, MS Word or in OpenOffice Writer. And read the instructions also. Thank you.